of Bulletproof Dog Training in Cincinnati, Ohio. Today I have with me our newest 15-day board and train. This is Archie. Archie, do you want to say hi? Hi, baby. Archie is about a 6-month-old Aussie. Mom and Dad brought him in because they sent Archie's older sister through a couple months ago, so they just want Archie to have the same training. They have been working with him a bit, so let's just jump in and see what Archie does and doesn't know. Hi, buddy. Archie, can you sit? Can you sit? Good boy. Can you down? Hey, can you down? Archie, hey, right here. Can we down? Hey, Archie, can you down? No, that's okay. What about here? Can you heel? Over here. Can we heel? No. Well, as you can see, he did give me a sit, so that is something. Just stay tuned for the rest of this video to see Archie's amazing transformation. And as always, thank you for choosing Bulletproof.